Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to go through this real quick here. Take a look. We all seen this clip. Teflon Hillary Clinton on her plane having her coughing fit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let that play so you can see. Now, let's go ahead and analyze this real quick. She's coughing. She says, can I have some water? She has a water bottle in her hand. But then homegirl out of nowhere hands the mysterious cup to Hillary with her back turned to everyone. And now she's got to go because she can't continue the press conference because of the coughing fit. Now look at this video down here. Now you see the woman, this woman in the black right there coming up with that mysterious cup in her hand. This was before she even started having this coughing fit. Now I'm asking myself, and I'm saying to myself, number one, what's in that cup? Number two, did she knew she was going to have a coughing fit? Because if you look at this video here, she doesn't get that cup until after she starts coughing. Here she comes out of nowhere. Let me get the cup, hand it to homeboy. Homeboy hands it to Hillary Teflon Hillary Clinton. But yet, if you look at the other video, you have this woman coming up with the cup in her hand way before she has the coughing fit. And let me rewind that back just a little bit. Play it again. You can see Hillary with the regular water bottle in her hand. Can somebody explain what the frig was going on there? Hit me up. Peace.